Hi, this is the Avionaut Dock 2 ISOfix base, and this base can be used to install both the Cosmo infant carrier as well as the Pixel, and I'm now going to put it in the car to show you how that works. To install the Dock 2 base in the car, you first of all need to angle out the leg and then place the base flat on the vehicle seat. You then need to bring out the ISOfix arms one at a time, and you do that by squeezing these two buttons, like pinching it together and sliding them out one by one. And they then are clicked into the car's ISOfix points down here. You push them in until the indicators have turned green. And now this gap here between the base and the backrest of the vehicle seat needs to be closed. And you simply do that by pushing the base all the way in. You'll hear it clicking. Push it as far as it will go, and then you need to get one more click out of both sides by just pulling it towards you and the other way. That was actually 2 clicks, but now it's nice and firm. And now I'm going to extend the leg down to the floor. So first of all, this gap needs to be closed just by angling the leg out that way. Then there's a red button here which you need to press. The leg will go down to the floor. Hold the bottom half, the silver part of the leg down, and with your other hand, pull the black part up until that red button clicks back out. This is the Cosmo infant carrier, and to put this infant carrier on this base, you've got 2 holes here at the back, and they need to line up with these notches that stick out at the back of the base. And then underneath here, there's a metal bar, and that metal bar locks into these claws here. So you start with the back. So you place the seat on the base like this, slide it back slightly, and then the front just pushes down and clicks into place in that metal claw. And then the final step of the Cosmo's installation is that the carry handle has to go forward over the baby's legs. And you do that by pressing the buttons here at the back of the handle on both sides at the same time, and just push the handle down till those buttons pop back out. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.